Hello everybody, my name's Lisa and I am the owner of My Curl Products. Today I'm going to show you how I'm using my Curl Moist Restore leave-in conditioner and my curl sauce to do a finger coil twist on my hair. So I've washed my hair and I am applying the leave-in conditioner all through my hair just to moisturize it and to give it shine and moisture before I do my finger coil twist. And I'm using I used two about quarter size amounts just to make sure, especially in the back area, that I'm moisturized. And I'm using my fave detangling brush to detangle and distribute the leave-in conditioner throughout the hair. Want to make sure that my hair is moisturized and it stays wet so that when I'm doing the finger coils, when I put the gel in, it applies in the right way. So after I distribute the leave-in conditioner, Moist Restore leave-in conditioner, I start to section my hair in the back area. I'm going to start in the back area. I like to start in the back area. And so I'm just going to use my fingers and section out a sort of like a medium-sized section. And then I'm taking my curl sauce, about a quarter size, and I'm going to apply it to the full back section of my hair. And then I'm going to take small dime size sections and start finger coiling the sections with my finger. I'm just kind of feeling the right amount that I want the size of curls to be, and then I'm just twirling it, finger coiling it with my fingers using the curl sauce. Just kind of feeling it out and curling it. And then I'm just going to do that throughout the whole back section. So I'm going to take the next section, the middle part of my hair, and repeat. Taking about a quarter size of the curl sauce and applying it to that middle section, which is usually the more thicker section, just making sure that the product is distributed through. And I'm using my detangle brush to make sure that the curl sauce is distributed through. And then I'm taking small finger coils, making small finger coils sections throughout that middle section of my hair. Just kind of feeling and twirling from root to end. It doesn't have to be parted in any way. Actually, it's better to not have like real parts, so that when it's all done, it doesn't look like it has a lot of parted sections. It looks more natural. So I'm just going through that middle section and just kind of finger coiling it. It's really not that hard. Just kind of just feeling. You don't really have to see. Just kind of just feeling as you go along. That's what I'm doing. Yep. Just like that. So then that's my second section. And then I'm going to go to the side now. using the clips to separate. And then I'm going to complete my side section, taking small sections and kind of finger coiling it from root to end using the curl sauce, taking smaller sections on the side and the front because I want it to be full. Curl sauce, taking the middle section, detangling with the brush so it's easier to finger coil when it's detangled from root to ends, and just taking small sections because I want it to be full. Detangling if it needs to be further detangled just with my fingers, just making sure that it is a smooth curl. Then I'm going to do the other side. Curl sauce, making sure that the products distributed from the root out, and taking small sections and kind of finger curling it with my fingers. Just like that. Really easy. Doesn't really take long at all. Doing my front section, I want my front to kind of fall forward. So I combed it forward, and I'm twisting the finger coils towards my face. Just like that. Really easy. Not hard at all. Anybody could do this. It's a simple style that you can do, and you actually can wear this for twisted for about 2 weeks, really. Now I'm doing my last section, and I'm going to twist some going back and then some going forward. So you want to twist your hair based on how you want it to fall. You put your part in at the beginning so that you don't have to mess with the curls after you have everything all coiled. But this is really an easy style. It looks really, really pretty on all textures. It's my last curl, and so that's how that goes. And it looks really pretty. And so now I'm going to dry it. So I like to sit under the dryer because the curls need to dry completely. Usually I do my hair on Sundays, and I can't sleep with it wet. You cannot sleep with them wet. So after the curls have dried, I take the Moist Restore and I kind of just rub over it just to kind of give it moisture and shine, just to have something to separate the curls, because it, the gel isn't a hard hold, but it's good to have something, some moisturizer, a moisturizer to separate, and the Moist Restore helps it so that when you separate it, if you have any frizz on the end, it takes that away. You could also use our gloss to separate the curls as well. And you will separate as much as you want to. The more you separate, the fuller it will be. Sometimes I'll just separate it just a little because I want it to last longer, so I'll just separate it, and then as I go on through the week, I'll separate it more and more. So I'm just separating them into two, and just kind of setting it that way. So this is my end result, and this is how I will wear it for you know, for the week. I didn't separate it a whole lot because I wanted to last the whole week. As the weeks go on, I'll separate it a little bit more and more. But this is my finger coil, and I thank you for watching.